RMD stock analysis next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. And as the only person in the stock trading space with actual 43,000 video track record experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with the Resmed. Bro, such a decent bullish market. I can't even, you cannot even make this up, you know. It's so good. This is not like a long-term idea for me that I have here, but like genuinely speaking, here's the top for me currently. And only if I see the price pulling down into my demand zone or anything like that closer, then and only then I'm looking to take things further up and buy. And people like do not understand the patience it takes. They're just FOMOing, you know, they have FOMO and then must act upon the fear of missing out. No, man, just chill, you know, do something else in the meantime, follow other tickers, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping I see some other pull downs. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.